So I have the Fitbit Versa 4, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to attach these bands, how to remove them so you can be able to replace if you want to. Now, these bands are not hard to attach. If you just flip your watch over and check right here next to the band, you should see this little clip. Okay, so to remove the band, simply push the clip towards the band like that, and then simply pull it out just like that. Okay, it's as simple as that. And to put it back in again, simply just put it in at an angle. Just put it in at an angle and then apply a little pressure. You'll hear that slide clip and the band is ready to go. Same goes for the other side. If you want to remove, go ahead and push this towards the band like that, and then pull out the band at an angle. It's a very, very simple process. And to put it back in, simply align it like that and then push it in. You'll hear that slide clip, and that's it. That's how to attach, to remove, and also replace the bands of your Fitbit Versa 4. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.